It's hard to believe the Christmas Day bombing damaged 64 buildings nearly 2.5 years ago. Today, city workers prepared a stretch of 2nd Avenue for construction. News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald tells us what's in store.
It's, this was hard. This was hard to experience for sure.
One of downtown Nashville's storied streets has a story of its own. Even trolley tour guides tell about what happened on historic 2nd Avenue 3 Christmases ago. On Monday, the city prepared the street for its next chapter.
It's really going to have a very different look and feel to it.
The Metro Development and Housing Agency coordinated this road closure necessary to get things going. A facelift is coming to 2nd Avenue between Church and Union Street, the first major project since the bombing.
New brick pavers, new concrete, new asphalt, new roads.
Construction on this block could take 12 months. So what's that mean for the other 2/3 of 2nd Avenue?
This north block, we'll learn a lot about what's under the road. 2nd Avenue is something that is one of the oldest streets. There are a ton of utilities and there are so many unknowns. So we're expecting the unknowns. We're hoping to learn a lot in this block and be able to get a little bit more creative in the other 2 blocks with our timing.
People will be able to walk the entire length of 2nd Avenue during each phase of construction. When needed, there will be temporary ramps to front doors. A manager at Music City Wine and Spirits said he was a little caught off guard that the closure might last a year. Nonetheless, he felt positively about the project.
I believe that seeing progress today and seeing this road close and things start to happen finally is going to give some folks on this block some peace and excitement and encouragement, because it's finally starting.
During the construction, Bank Street will be converted to a 2-way street so people can get to Whitefront Garage.
We're just as eager to get this open as everybody else.
In Nashville, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Hannah. The project also includes new streetlights, plants, crosswalks, and loading zones.